So, I'm stuck indoors for 3 months because of the coronavirus. Quarantined for existing health reasons. Fortunately, I have a Waterrower erg to keep me fit, but I got very bored at staring at a blank conservatory wall. So I've hacked together a sort of virtual reality system out of bits I could find around the house. So I've mounted a stick on my handle with a silicon rubber soft tube at the end to pad it a little bit, and this just hits the down cursor key on this old keyboard that I had lying around, and I've mounted that on the front of my Waterrower and put my laptop up. So now every time I decide I've moved enough, I hit that key and I move on to the next Google Street View image. As you can see, I'm pointing backwards, so we are rowing after all, going facing backwards. And Google Street View has a set of images going down the middle of the Thames from Richmond down to the city, so I can row all the way along, do a bit of sightseeing, and imagine I'm out on the river, and look forward to when I can next get out on a boat. But it took about half an hour to knock together out of bits of old wood and things I could find around the house.